In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Click on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you're ready, you can close your app and go into Tap menu. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Edit Tiles in the pop-up. Then you need to look for a Caffeine shortcut at the bottom, and when you find it, add it to your Tap menu. Then go back and click on your new tile. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, click on the same tile. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!